We are pleased to show you the 2023 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, power third passenger door, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.